एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज मैं करने वाली हूँ एक अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो। आज मेरा पार्सल आ गया मेरे पास, तो देखते इसके बाद क्या है। आज आया है एक विस्कर और एडिटर। इट्स फ्रॉम फ्लिपकार्ट डेफिनेटली। एंड देखते इसके अंदर क्या है। So the packaging looks like kind of this. This is the main motor and this is to whisker. This one is for like coffee, I think, to make coffee, and also milk, I think so. And this big one is for egg and milk, or to make fresh cream. This is the charging cable to charge the motor, and this is the motor. It has like 3 settings of speed. If you start this, then this, then second, then third. And to stop this, just press it. So I wanna show you like how it actually works. For installation, like you just go, just press it a little bit, and start. You can see the speed. Now we are doing the second settings and the third settings. So this is how it's like. Now just wanna stop it and stop. For pull it out, just hold there and just do this. And show this one also. Again, just hold it in and press it little. And just press. Goes like this. Again with the second person and the third person. And now just stop it. Again the same thing, just pull it out. Okay. Never just wash this motor because it is chargeable and electric one, so it will be destroyed if you just wash it. Every time wash these two better only by just pulling it out. And yeah, just charge it, it will go along with. So yeah, this is pretty much it. This is the product, and for reviewing this, I will make a coffee and I will show you in our next video. Bye bye. So this is the product. If you are new in my channel, please do like, subscribe and share my video. Bye bye.